Hello everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP. Thank you for your support. Big up the CoinsKid crew. So I just want to remind you, so far, XRP is doing everything it needs to for continuation. Okay, you've got your key level support down here at the 0618 retracement. If you start to fall any lower than 75 cents, it could spell a bit of a disaster for XRP. But so far so good. You're adhering to the 20 as well. There's a little thought experiment. I'm going to say, you've done this corrective, impulsive right now. You're gearing up. You're coiling up basically for a break, and I do think that when that break comes, and to be honest with you, I'm looking at a break towards the end of September. I might be completely wrong here. It might be the mid-September or even tomorrow, who knows. But if we sort of come out of September after a level of consolidation, a bit frustrating, test some lows and double bottom out, triple bottom out even, or whatever, and just consolidate in a range before getting the break, I do think that we could be looking at an all-time high here for XRP in October, which would be really, really good, and it would be getting this party started, wouldn't it? Okay, so again, just because I'm saying it does not necessarily mean it has to happen, but I'm looking at the previous chart for crypto and the DXY especially for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin went sideways in September last year, tested some lows and then it broke out, and with it carried the alts. Okay, so Bitcoin went and then the alts carried. But if we do start to go through a very similar scenario, you're looking at a break towards the end of September there, it would be amazing. Okay, and with it a nail on the head. But so far I just want to show you as a little thought experiment, potentially if we go from something like that to that high, and right now we're coiling up, we're just going sideways. Okay, we may even come down, like I said to you, if you do start to see a more of a roll in the market, put some cheeky bids down there on 85 cents, a 050. You did it here. You whipped down. You corrected a 050, which I've shown you just there. Okay, if this retracement was, it retraced at a 0.50 fib. Okay, and this retracement, I think you've come down to the 382 at the moment. But if you do start to see more of a bit of a dump, okay, and a bit of a correction, again, perfectly healthy, just put some cheeky bids on the 050 at 85 cents. Okay, and then look, you can see the resistance, start to coil up, break out towards the end of September here. Push up, and you'll be testing. That's my partner's birthday, the 11th. That'd be nice. And you're testing these highs here. Once you break, look, that massive impulsive wave, because that's what you're forming right now. You are in an impulsive wave to the upside, but you ran into a level of resistance, and you're coiling up for support to get the break. Do you understand that? So, rinse, repeat. But just because it's happened here multiple times, look, because just because it's happened here does not necessarily mean this is a certainty. But whilst you're adhering to structural support, you're looking for continuation. This is potentially, look, you've got this trend line as well. See this trend line that I found that you're adhering to as well as resistance. Look, resistance. Right now, if you do something like that and you come up with resistance, potentially we've got a cheat sheet here for XRP, and you will see me put this on my thumbnails. We could be looking at a new all-time high here for XRP in October, and mid towards the end of October here, which will be amazing. And at that point, the real question is here: what happens here? Do we enter a bear market, or are we going to absolutely go insane and have a massive parabolic blow off top here towards the year end for XRP? And I am anticipating a year end for crypto. So this for me, if this plays out, look, because with this you're going to bounce off this curve. Look, we're bouncing off the curve, coming up. You've got that resistance support, resistance support. You do something like that, come back to this support, and that's where you're going to just, the SEC case comes out towards the end of the year here, or wherever it is, and XRP just takes off and gets to all our targets, which would be absolutely amazing. So far so good. It's adhering, it's looking for continuation, and all the up, down, sideways chop is just noise, and I do always say that. Okay, and I've always said, even down here, I will remind you, I was making videos on XRP and charting it down here, telling you it was going to go here, telling you it was going to come back there, and you've come back there, and now I'm telling you, you're looking at this. So again, not got a crystal ball, but it's just charting. Okay, and until you lose structure and you start to roll out of here, you're still looking good for continuation. Do you understand that? So this is what I say to you: if in doubt, zoom out. Okay, if in doubt, zoom out. XRP is looking beautiful, it's looking great, it's looking golden, and all that business. So yeah, with that, you're breaking the all-time high for XRP. Yes, that's XRP. Hope you enjoyed the update. I think yesterday, if we take a look at the XRP USD chart just here. So yeah, looking at XRP on the hourly time frame now, I think yesterday we was forming some kind of horizontal, okay, and I said to you, if you get the break, you're looking, I think it was like a $1.22 or something. You've hit that and now you're rolling. Okay, so this is chop, it's noise basically. Ignore it because you know the end game. Okay, until we lose key levels of support, it's going to get noisy, and potentially you could come all the way down to 0.50 at 86 cents and still be looking absolutely fantastic for continuation. It's when you start to roll out key level support, which I've shown you, then it could get quite nasty and negative for XRP, but don't anticipate it. I think we're looking really, really strong and good for continuation. So right now, is there anything here? Is there anything here other than consolidation? Not really. It's just nasty. Look, you caught between this level of resistance right now. This is your major level of resistance for XRP moving forward. Okay, so that's a level of resistance, and right now you've got a level of support which is down here. Okay, so you're just going to range between there. Okay, you break that resistance, boom, you're out. You lose that support, you're looking at a retest of 0.85. It really is that simple. So this support right now is currently 95 cents. Okay, and this resistance just there is 124. So I think you're just going to see ranges between like this. If you lose that, you've got a lovely little short up, down to the 0.50 at 85 cents. You're looking at a 10% short up, and obviously, if you start to come up here and you break that, you're looking at continuation. You're looking to break this high, and you're looking to keep going forward, and you've formed a brand new impulsive wave to the upside. So unfortunately, this can go on for a few weeks right now. We've been through all this before. Okay, and as you're rolling down, as long as you're adhering to structure and your whole key levels of structural support, you are great for continuation. It's once you start losing those key levels of support that you're not. Okay, so that's XRP. I hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, and thank you once again for your support. Really do appreciate it. Thank you. Bye bye.